What up, what up, what up? My name is Six Sense, and welcome to the Rapper's Guide to Ableton Live. I wrote this course for rappers that are new to recording and are looking for a cost-efficient DAW that can do everything. So why do I use Ableton, and why do I recommend Ableton to artists? It's the one piece of software that I've used in making music that can handle pretty much all the aspects of the process. From making beats, to recording, to mixing and mastering. You can even use it on stage as a live performance or DJing tool. So if you learn it and you grow with it as an artist, it allows you to do things that other artists can't do. By the end of this course, you're going to understand how to record a full song using the DAW, and you'll also learn how to prepare your session for a professional mix. You'll get introduced to some of Live's best time savers, including keyboard shortcuts. And at the end of it all, you'll actually be recording a verse and submitting it for review. I even have some production you can use in case you need some beats. I don't want to waste time. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get into things.